In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Windows Media Player when it's not working properly. We're going over every single error that you might be having with Windows Media Player, so make sure you watch through the entire video. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if Windows Media Player is glitching, not opening, or having playback issues, this method is usually going to fix it. First things first, go ahead and select the Windows Start button down at the very bottom of your screen and open up Settings. Go ahead and select System once you do get in here, and if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see an option for optional features towards the very bottom. Go ahead and open that up, and what you're going to want to do now is find Windows Media Player from this list. If you don't see it immediately, go ahead and hit View Features first and then hit Yes. And from here, just search for Windows Media Player. As you can see, it is right here for me. Go ahead and select it and then hit Remove. And then do the exact same thing. Search for it again. Select Windows Media Player and then hit Add. After it finishes adding it back in, it should be working normally again. You're essentially just removing it and reinstalling it. But that is how you could fix most common Windows Media Player issues. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.